support yourselves. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
To me, show choir it's a mix of dancing and singing, obviously, but it's more like showing your music through your dancing and connecting with the audience on multiple levels.
I think that everyone can just walk away just feeling so good about themselves, and I really have this theory that music and dance is what really speaks to people's souls. So whenever I perform, I really want to make sure that the energy I feel is not going towards myself, not making myself feel better, but towards making other people feel like they're doing something cool.
5 adjectives. Fun, awesome, diverse, adventurous, and musical.